How do I manage to make daily content without a large team? Hey guys, I'm Stefan Klovning from Raphael's Ambassadors, and today I want to show you my new content management system in Notion that I've set up for my own purposes, for my own process of creating new videos, creating new content that makes it more efficient for me. I found it necessary to make some kind of update to my system to manage my content in order to actually manage to be able to make this level of content, so much content. I've been making content pretty much daily. Recently I've been publishing them, publishing and scheduling them for during the weekday, so that I have the weekend as a margin. But yeah, I'm basically making content pretty much daily now, and it's all possible because of this database, basically this system I've set up. So if you are struggling with kind of figuring out how to manage your content and how you want to produce more content, but you're not really sure how to set it up in the right way to actually manage this type of volume, then this is the video for you. So I'll share a bit of the context as well as some of the process I think of in terms of content creation here. So basically, in terms of my team, I have one guy who does part of the SEO optimization, but mainly this entire process, I'm doing a lot of the things. So I'm basically doing getting some ideas and doing research based on that, making some notes. In some cases, I don't need to make notes, like in this video, where it's based on my system and I know how it works basically. But in some cases, especially when you're talking about news or other topics that may be a bit more technical, especially, then it may be a good idea to have some notes to make sure you provide the right information. And then you just record, do the editing, and I'm not doing so much editing right now. I'm doing some editing. But yeah, it's not. I'm aiming, when it becomes in my budget, I'm definitely planning to upgrade the quality of my editing. Then SEO optimization, I do have a Python program that does kind of part of the job for me when it comes to actually providing a suggestion for or some suggestions for SEO optimization. You can find the link, GitHub link to the code in the description. But yeah, the problem of showing it here is I tried recording before, and then apparently it screwed up the kind of audio and video, so the audio didn't match with my video anymore when I ran this program, probably because it has to do with it does a lot of processing with audio and video and so on. So apparently it screws with the system when you're running the program while you're recording a video. So yeah, I won't show that here, but yeah, you can find it in the description, and I'll also show you how it looks. So basically, when you run this program and enter the path, you will get a transcript. This is a transcript I talked in Norwegian in this video that I'll run this program for now, and then it provides some SEO suggestions here in English. And yeah, it provides the title, description, tags, and 5 alternatives. So it's not all the things it provides correctly, for instance the name of the company and so on, but I guess that's not exactly to be expected when it's not a common name. So yeah, that's a basis to start on, and then yeah, we basically have entered the ideas in here. We have a page here for preparation notes, transcript, SEO suggestion, where we feed kind of the notes, the transcript and SEO suggestions we get from this program, and then just provide links to those pages here in here and here, and then upload the thumbnail here, and then for this growth, authority, and personal, it's a matter of it's based on the Code Robertson's framework. I can probably find a resource from him that I can link here as well. He has a lot of great ideas when it comes to setting up content like this and creating such content-based systems. He inspired me a lot with this process. So basically, growth, authority, and personal means growth is focused on providing value, interesting, and valuable information that can provide value for people. Authority is basically showing what you can do, what you have done, and so on. Building some authority that you know what you're talking about on this field. And the personal is more kind of personally related, your personal stories, your personal opinions, your personal personally for you. So it's for instance the story behind the name and some personal opinions and experiences. I consider that personal. So enter that there, and then upload link to the YouTube video there when that is published. So yes, that is basically the system I have right now. I'm aiming to get some improvements, implement some more automation, but that's still in development. So when I have that more figured out and established, I will probably make another video to show you guys how that is done and how you can set it up similar. So I wonder about feedback from you guys. What do you think about a system like this? Would it be interesting for you to have a system like this? And if you're not really sure about how to set up a system like this yourself, would this be something you'd be interested in getting a template for available in Notion, so that you can kind of copy this kind of style for content creation and build on it yourself? Let me know in the comments below if you guys would be interested in that, and I can see what you could do. Other than that, of course, I offer 30 minutes free consultation calls. So if you guys want help to figure out how to set up something like this, then we can take that on the call or something similar. So the link to that is also in the description below. So yeah, just to sum it up, this is basically the upgraded version from this. This is in Google Sheets, much more basic, kind of more like Excel, Google Sheets type of setup, and I found that it wasn't really manageable for scale like this. It didn't really work out. So that's why I started using this instead, figuring out how to set this up. And yeah, so that works a lot better for me so far. It's a lot smoother for me to make content now that I have this. So yeah, again, just let me know if any of this would be of any interest to you, either to get a template for or to get a call for. Just let me know, and be sure to check out in the description as well. So other than that, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I hope you all have an amazing day forward.